We're now sharing Microsoft Connect wireless screen display with Quicklaunch. We click the button to get started, and it's now ready to receive from a laptop or other PC. On the PC, we hit Windows P to start sharing, and we'll automatically be able to see the UCW at the front of the room. We'll now connect, and I allow it to use touchback. From here at the front of the room, you can see it's now joining the meeting, and we can now start anything. So I've got a Word document started with some lines in it, but now from the front of the room, I'm going to use the pens to draw. It's actually drawing on the person's PC that's sitting at the desktop. We can change colors, etc. So that now gives us a great opportunity to show how you use Wireless Connect. Now we can disconnect from the session, and we're ready for someone else to share. At this point, you can reset the room, go on to run other applications, or go back to standard Quicklaunch.